Hi everyone, welcome back. Lastly we learned about this phase feature detector, and today we are gonna learn about AGAST feature detector. AGAST stands for Adaptive Generic Accelerated Segment Test. Also, this is a very similar to the phase feature detector. This also does not support descriptors, so it's only detecting the features. It's only detecting the corners, but it does not give the descriptors to specific to the features. Okay, this is similar with the phase feature detector, and also both are faster, I can say. AGAST is developed different than the phase feature detector. Is that the major difference is not only faster it's gonna be, it's also gonna be more accurate. That's why the naming also advanced, so generic accelerated. So fast, about the fast part, speed part, I can say both are very similar, but about the accuracy, AGAST is better than the phase feature detector type. And okay, in this video we are gonna simply just initialize and how it looks like in our example image. Also, of course, I already updated my table, you see here. And lastly we learned about this phase feature detector, and here is the AGAST. There are no major differences. You can keep the explanation same with the AGAST, similar to the first one. And type is it's only detecting key point. It does not support the descriptors. Scale invariant, no. And rotation invariant, no. And feature type, corners, similar to the phase feature detector. So its design is developed specific to detect corners. And also, yeah, no descriptor support, detector only. And about the code, I also want you to show about difference. So we already previously we talked about phase feature detector, and this is the last example we have tried. And if we run, you see here 152 key points, the corners detected, you see here. And just keep this number in mind, because we are expecting now the AGAST, at least with the default parameters, we are expecting it to give us maybe more results, because we expect it to be more accurate. It cannot give also all the time, but let's try it. At least we are expecting that. Also, the usage are very similar, so we can just remove this fast feature detector with the AGAST feature detector and just use the, okay, just replace this, nothing else. Let me check. Key points we are giving, and we are calling the detect function with the image and the key points vector, and we are writing the output key point size into here, and we are drawing the key points. Let's see how it looks like. So the AGAST, as we expected, the detected key point size is 175, which is higher than the fast feature detector type, because as we said, this is more accurate than the fast. And at least we can, yeah, in the next video we are gonna focus to the parameters, the member functions. In there we can remove these again, but at least we see the all the corners are, for now, are detected correctly, even there are noises. In the next video we can play with the parameters and we can remove those noises. Okay, in this video simply I just wanted to show how to initialize this one, and also about the comparison table I updated. You can just stop and check the others if you just watched this video directly. And in the next video we are gonna focus to these member functions. Okay, I am done for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.